So we're here at Do Up the Back Steps. We have 4 gardens, and they're following the theme of the movie's theme of the show itself. We have here The Princess and the Frog by Nancy Green, combining hardscaping, unique art, sculpture, and then also very hardy plants that would work well in your environment. Star Trek Garden by Melanie Rekola. It incorporates kind of some of the funky designs of the Star Trek theme, incorporating tropicals as well as annual plants. Skai Leja's Found Treasure Island is one that has a real mix of different foliages and colors, and as well as art and also wooden structures. And then the last one is meant to be the La Vie en Rose with our Canada Blooms team, is meant to show people what they can do with a real mix of plants and roses. So we're on the other side of the festival floor at the Oaks Landscape Do Up the Doorsteps. So here we've started with Iron Eagle putting a nice fence around all of the gardens, and I'm standing in front of the Welcome to the Front Yard by Stanley Rosak. Stanley's combined a juniper as a focal point here on the right side with some heucheras, and on the rocking chair he's got some ivies, behind that helleborus and tulips, and coming down the left side another chair and some globe cedars, and just combination of more mix of annuals. And here Kelly Keats from Ginkgo Design has used the strong color of the Sunfinity sunflower plants. She's worked in some hydrangeas and lots of different foliage combinations. We've got a weeping blue spruce on the right side. There's a azalea rhododendron at the back. We have an amber maple at the back, a globe spruce, some cedars. We got a dwarf Alberta spruce at the back. Terry Lynn Greer's Alice in Wonderland. Here she found some unique characters, the little bunny. And in terms of plants, she's positioned 4 spiral junipers, 4 globe cedars to kind of create a frame, and then the roses, and she's put some lavenders on the wall around the clock, and hydrangeas, and 2 weeping cherries. We're able to time them well. They're pretty well flowered out now, but they look great, have looked great for days now. Kim Omoto and her team with the AKA Designs have used artificial turf, have used helleborus, the orange tree at the back, lamium around the water feature on the right, and campanulas and heucheras and osteospermums on the feature on the left, with the PG hydrangea tree in the center. Tanya Smith created, she used a combination of tropicals from Jill Jensen, as well as some campanulas, some hydrangeas, and some heucheras to just fill in this yard.